Want to share your NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're signed in with your personal Google account. After that, you want to set up Google Family Sharing. To do so, go to your account setting. Now look for Family Sharing. Now tap on the Get Started option. Then you will have to follow the on-screen prompts in order to create your family group. Next, you want to invite your family members. You can add up to 5 other people to your group. Invitations can be sent by email or text. Once they accept, they'll be linked to your account. One thing you need to remember is that Student Plan doesn't allow sharing. It only supports one device and one stream at a time. To share, you'll need a regular YouTube TV NFL Sunday ticket plan. Once your family group is set, everyone you've invited will be able to watch NFL Sunday Ticket as part of your subscription, and that's it. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.